Okay, let's dive right in. We're going to talk about how just 10 minutes, yeah, that's it, 10 minutes, every morning can totally transform your entire day. We're talking about boosting your brain power, crushing that urge to procrastinate, and just feeling awesome, both physically and mentally, and all before you've even thought about coffee. Does this sound familiar? The alarm goes off and you're immediately hit with that groggy, fuzzy feeling. You feel kind of foggy, maybe a little stressed out, and the day hasn't even really started yet. It's a struggle we all know, but the fix is actually way simpler than you think. And that right there is the secret. You do not need some complicated hour-long ritual. This is all about using a tiny little slice of your morning for maximum impact. We're gonna build a seriously powerful routine, and it's all gonna fit into just 10 minutes. All right, first things first, let's get your body and mind on the same page. We're gonna start with a few super simple habits to wake up your body, which, as you're about to see, is the absolute key to waking up your brain. First up, and honestly, it doesn't get any easier than this. Drink a glass of water. Seriously, before you do anything else, just hydrate. Now here's the wild part. Your brain is mostly water. So think about it. After 7 or 8 hours of sleep, you haven't had a drop to drink. Your brain is literally thirsty. It's dehydrated, and that can actually cause your brain cells to shrink a bit, which leads to that morning brain fog, that fatigue, even headaches. So yeah, that one glass of water can make a huge difference. So when you drink a glass or two of water first thing, you're kickstarting your metabolism, you're helping flush out toxins, and you're rehydrating your brain, giving you an instant boost. You know, for an extra little something, some people swear by storing water in a copper vessel overnight, but honestly, even plain old water works wonders. Okay, this next one, it might sound like a chore your parents nag you about, but it's actually a really powerful psychological hack. Making your bed is your first victory of the day. This famous quote from Admiral McRaven just nails it, right? It's about starting your day with a task that you've already completed. It sets such a powerful tone. When you complete this one simple action, it sends a signal to your brain that says, hey, I've already accomplished something today. It gives you this little hit of pride and creates momentum that just kind of snowballs. It encourages you to tackle the next task, and then the next. It builds discipline and starts your day with a sense of order instead of chaos. And hey, if you've got a few extra minutes, here are 3 more ways to really supercharge your morning. A quick stretch can get the oxygen flowing to your brain. A little bit of sunlight can literally make you happier by boosting serotonin. And for the really brave among us, a cold shower will just jolt you into a state of sharp, clear focus. No joke. Okay, so now that your body is awake and feeling energized, let's talk about getting your mind into that same zone. These next few habits are all about priming your brain for a day of focus, positivity, and productivity. Look, if the idea of meditation feels a little intimidating, don't worry. Deep breathing is an incredibly simple and super effective alternative. We're just talking about a few minutes of focusing on your breath, in and out. And the benefits are pretty much immediate. It helps calm your nervous system, which dials down stress and anxiety. It sharpens your focus. It can even give you a little energy boost. If you're someone who struggles with overthinking, this practice can be a total game changer for just clearing out all that mental clutter. What you listen to in the first few moments of your day can have a massive impact on your mood for hours. I mean, music is a direct line to your state of mind, so why not use it to your advantage? So the key here is to be intentional. Pick music that's calm, positive, or inspiring. An instrumental track can be perfect for focus. What you want to avoid is anything aggressive, sad, or just super distracting. You're trying to build a positive, calm mindset, not create more mental noise. So instead of immediately grabbing your phone and checking emails or scrolling through social media, try feeding your mind something good. Just 10 minutes of reading an inspiring book or a motivating article can fill your head with powerful ideas to kickstart your day. Taking a few minutes to plan your day is like drawing a map before you start a road trip. It brings order and intention to what you're doing, and it dramatically increases the chance that you'll actually finish the things you set out to do. And this is absolutely the best way to do it. Use an actual physical piece of paper. Why? Because your phone is a black hole of distractions. Writing your tasks down by hand helps lock them into your brain. And let's be honest, there is nothing more satisfying than physically checking off a completed task. And finally, our last habit. Instead of mindlessly scrolling through your phone, take those same 10 minutes for some mindful reflection. Just think about your goals, your purpose, and what you want your day to look like. Ask yourself, how can I make today a great day? This little practice builds so much self-awareness and brings a ton of clarity to your life. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Looking at all 10 of these habits can feel a little overwhelming, but that's not the point. The key isn't to perfectly do all 10 of these tomorrow. The goal is to just pick one single habit that sounds good to you, that feels like something you can actually do. So I'm gonna leave you with this question. Just look back at these ideas: hydrating, making your bed, breathing, planning. Which single one will you commit to trying tomorrow morning? Because starting small, that's the real secret to building a routine that actually sticks.